best toilet brush. Number 5. Iconico Bold Double Side Toilet Cleaning Brush. Approx price 105 rupees. V-shaped double side head for dual cleaning. Acid proof, hard dense, brights, easier to clean under the rim. Number 4. High Herz Toilet Bowl Brush and Hold Set. Approx price 399 rupees. Flat soft TPR brush head design can reach any corner. No annoying tangled hair. The holder channel water vapor away through lower ends. Number 3. Kleeno by Cello Eco Hockey Toilet Brush. Approx price 125 rupees. Material plastic handle. Special angular design to reach all corners. Dense high quality crimped bristlets for a sparkling clean toilet. Number 2. GNEY toilet brush with slim holder. Approx price 298 rupees. Toilet brush with handle and holder. Dense and sturdy bristle helps scrub away hidden dirt, easy for more efficient cleaning. Deeply and easily clean your toilet bowl. Toilet brush cleaner is made of non-slip plastic. Toilet brush with holder set fits in a narrow space. Number 1. Kleeno by Cello Angular Toilet Brush with Storage. Approx price 274 rupees. Material plastic. Item dimension 111.28 mm by 175 mm by 415 mm. Special angular design to reach all corners. Dense high quality crimped bristles for a sparkling clean toilet. Rubberized handle for comfortable grip. Thank you for watching.